Have you ever wondered how ancient civilizations interpreted the mysteries of the cosmos without modern technology? It's a question that has intrigued historians, scientists, and stargazers alike for centuries. Let's take a step back in time, to an era where the night sky was the greatest spectacle and source of wonder. In these early days of human history, our ancestors were just beginning to make sense of the celestial spectacle above them. They observed the pattern of day turning into night and night into day, the changing of seasons, and the shifting phases of the moon. These were the first tentative steps into the realm of astronomical observation. This was a time when the cosmos was not just a source of mystery, but also a guide for survival. Think about it. The regularity of day and night provided a basic structure for life. The changing of seasons signaled when to plant and when to harvest. The moon's phases served as an early form of calendar, marking the passage of time in the absence of clocks. These observations were not merely passive, they required a keen eye, a curious mind, and a deep understanding of patterns. It was this innate human ability to recognize patterns that led to the development of early calendars and timekeeping systems. Imagine an ancient civilization marking the position of the sun at the same time each day, or tracking the moon's journey across the night sky. Over time, these markings would reveal patterns, the cycle of day and night, the shifting seasons, the waxing and waning of the moon. All of these celestial events could be predicted, and that is where the true power of these early astronomical observations lay. These patterns provided a sense of order and predictability in a world full of uncertainties. They laid the foundation for societies to plan their activities, from agriculture to religious ceremonies, around these celestial events. In essence, these early observations were not just about understanding the cosmos, but about finding our place within it. They marked the dawn of astronomical discoveries, a journey of exploration that continues even today. These early observations laid the groundwork for more complex astronomical studies and predictions. And so, the story of our cosmic journey begins. Imagine a civilization so advanced in astronomy that they could predict celestial events hundreds of years into the future. That is the story of the Mayans, a civilization that flourished in Central America from around 2000 BC until the Spanish conquest in the 16th century AD. The Mayans were not just farmers and warriors, but also skilled astronomers. Their understanding of the cosmos was far beyond what you'd expect for a civilization that existed over 1,000 years ago. They had an intricate calendar system which they used to keep track of time and predict celestial events. This system, known as the Long Count, was based on a cycle of approximately 5,125 years, a number that still baffles scientists today. But their astronomical prowess didn't stop at calendars. The Mayans were also able to predict solar and lunar eclipses. They knew when these events would occur, and used this knowledge to plan agricultural activities and religious ceremonies. Eclipses were seen as significant occurrences, times when the gods were communicating with the people. So, the ability to predict them gave the Mayans a sense of control over their world. One of the most fascinating aspects of Mayan astronomy was their observations of Venus. They tracked the planet's movements across the sky with remarkable accuracy. They knew its cycle lasted 584 days and used this information to predict when Venus would appear as the morning and evening star. They even had a god, Kukulkan, associated with Venus, reflecting the importance they placed on this celestial body. The Mayans' advanced understanding of the cosmos was truly ahead of their time. Their ability to predict celestial events, long before the invention of telescopes and other modern tools, is a testament to their ingenuity and observational skills. It's a reminder that we can learn a lot from our ancestors, even as we continue to push the boundaries of our own understanding of the universe. What if the pyramids were more than just grand tombs? Let's delve into the astronomical wisdom of the ancient Egyptians. Their civilization flourished around the Nile, under a vast unclouded sky, a perfect canvas for celestial observations. It's no surprise, then, that the Egyptians developed a deep understanding of the stars and their movements. One of the most fascinating aspects of their astronomical knowledge is how it was incorporated into their architecture. The Great Pyramids of Giza, for instance, are not just magnificent structures, but a testament to their celestial know-how. These pyramids, built over 4,000 years ago, are aligned with incredible precision to the cardinal points of the compass. But that's not all. The pyramids of Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure, when viewed from the skies, mirror the alignment of the stars in the belt of Orion. This is no mere coincidence, but an intentional design reflecting their belief in the correlation between the earthly and the celestial. The Egyptians didn't stop at aligning their monumental structures with the stars. They also developed sophisticated means of timekeeping. Sundials and water clocks, known as clepsydras, were commonly used. Sundials, with their shadows moving as the sun travels across the sky, provided a visual representation of the passage of time during the day. Water clocks, on the other hand, were ingenious devices that allowed the Egyptians to measure time even during the night or on cloudy days. This intricate combination of astronomy and architecture was a reflection of the Egyptians' cosmological beliefs. For them, the universe was an orderly and predictable system, and understanding its patterns was a way to make sense of their own existence. So, the next time you marvel at the grandeur of the pyramids, remember that they are not just symbols of the Egyptians' architectural prowess, but also monuments to their profound understanding of the cosmos. For the Egyptians, the stars were not only guides for the afterlife, but also for their architectural marvels. From predicting eclipses to proposing heliocentric models, the Greeks revolutionized the field of astronomy. The ancient Greeks are often credited with giving birth to scientific astronomy. They were not just passive observers of the sky, but active explorers, seeking to understand the mechanics behind celestial phenomena. Pioneering this cosmic exploration was Aristarchus of Samos, a mathematician and astronomer who lived around the 3rd century BC. Aristarchus was the first known individual to propose a heliocentric model of the universe, a model where Earth and the other planets revolve around the Sun. This was a revolutionary idea, challenging the widely accepted geocentric model, where the Earth was considered the center of the universe. Another prominent figure was Hipparchus of Nicaea, known as the father of observational astronomy. Hipparchus made numerous contributions to astronomy, but perhaps his most significant was the creation of the first comprehensive star catalogue. He meticulously recorded the positions and brightness of about 1,000 stars, providing a detailed map of the heavens for future generations. The Greeks also made significant strides in astronomical technology. The Antikythera mechanism, discovered in a shipwreck off the Greek island of Antikythera, is believed to be an ancient astronomical computer. This intricate device, comprised of dozens of gears, could predict eclipses, track the paths of the sun and moon, and even recreate the irregular orbit of the moon. It's a testament to the astonishing ingenuity of the ancient Greeks and their deep fascination with the cosmos. Greek astronomy was not merely about observing the skies, but understanding them. Their celestial pursuits were driven by a desire to comprehend the universe and our place within it. This deep curiosity, this passion for knowledge, is what truly sets the Greeks apart in the annals of astronomical history. The Greeks not only observed the heavens, but sought to understand them, paving the way for modern astronomy. Their legacy continues to inspire us, reminding us of our humble origins in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. As we have journeyed through time, we've seen how ancient civilizations deciphered the cosmos in their unique ways. From the dawn of astronomical discoveries, humanity has been captivated by the mysteries of the universe, and the ancient civilizations were no exception. Their understanding of the celestial bodies, their movements, and their significance, although different from ours, was profound in its own right. The Mayans, masters of celestial observations, utilized their knowledge to create complex calendars, predicting celestial events with astounding accuracy. Their fascination with the heavens was deeply woven into their societal and religious fabric, influencing their architecture, agriculture, and even warfare strategies. The Mayan celestial mastery is a testament to their intellectual prowess and their deep connection with the cosmos. Then we traveled to ancient Egypt, where the alignment of the pyramids reflected a keen understanding of celestial patterns. The Egyptians' fascination with the afterlife and their belief in the pharaoh's journey to the stars is a powerful reminder of how their astronomical observations influenced their religious beliefs and cultural practices. The Great Pyramids stand today as enduring symbols of their celestial knowledge. And finally, we ventured to ancient Greece, the birthplace of scientific astronomy. The Greeks sought not just to predict the movements of celestial bodies, but also to understand the underlying principles that govern these movements. Their astronomical discoveries shaped the foundations of modern science, influencing thinkers and scholars for centuries to come. In summary, these ancient civilizations, though separated by time and geography, shared a deep fascination with the cosmos. Their astronomical observations and discoveries, born out of necessity, curiosity, and reverence, shaped their societies in profound ways. They developed intricate methods to predict celestial phenomena, marking the beginnings of human efforts to understand the universe. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the ancient astronomers who first sought to understand those distant points of light. Their legacy lives on in our continued exploration of the cosmos, our quest to decode the mysteries of the universe, and our never-ending fascination with